Welcome to Lenexa, where maintaining a beautiful home is a top priority. But clogged gutters can lead to significant water damage and pest issues. That's where our gutter covers come into play. With years of experience in gutter protection, we specialize in solutions that keep your gutters clear and functioning perfectly throughout the year. Our gutter covers are designed to prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs. In Lenexa, many homes face gutter-related challenges annually. Don't let yours be among them. Gutter covers effectively block debris from entering your gutters, ensuring smooth water flow away from your property. This protects your home from water damage and enhances its curb appeal and value. Ready to safeguard your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in keeping your home safe, attractive, and worry-free. Reach out now and experience the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.